guys, this is Faye from Feisworld Media. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you pre-schedule a YouTube live event. If you're like me, you're using, say, Restream or StreamYard or OBS, any of these tools will work perfectly in conjunction with pre-scheduled YouTube live event. And the good news is I'm going to show you where people can find you after your event has been scheduled. This is a follow-up video to one of the previous ones I released. That is for when you go live without pre-scheduling the event. I would highly recommend that you schedule live events. You will know exactly the YouTube URL you need to tell your audience. At the end of the day, planning for a live event is hard enough, but to gather a group of people to watch it, you need to be able to market it correctly. So let's get started. Before I get started, the prereq is that I have already designed these thumbnails for YouTube. I love using Canva, as you guys probably know. There's a free version as well for you to try out. My live stream is pretty straightforward, just like these designs as you can see on my page. I go live with my guests, same template each and every time. Today I'm going to demonstrate using my friend Kimberly Warner as an example. It's also important for me on my website, I have a live stream events page. This page will help people understand when I'm going live, and this page contains all the information I want people to know about where to watch us live, but more importantly, for people to get to know Kimberly just a little bit before she and I go live. So this is the information. I'm not going to use all of that necessarily for my YouTube description. It's up to you. So now with that ready, what I do is I go to youtube.com, make sure I log into my account, and then I click on this little create button right here. I click on go live. I'm not going live. The first few times I was freaking out thinking I was going to go live. As you can see, my virtual assistant has already scheduled this live stream, but I'm going to demonstrate what I would do if I were to do this from scratch. What you will do is click on this blue button, schedule stream. From here, if you have scheduled live stream in the past, you're going to find these templates, which can be very helpful because it preserves all the settings you once used before. As you can see here, including selections of the category and monetization settings and all that jazz. But if you're starting from scratch, you could also start with create new. This is something I'll demonstrate for you. For the purpose of this video, I am not going to go too crazy about best practices, how to create a title, but just remember that you do want to create a compelling title, right? A reason for people to tune in. If you want to enable monetization, make sure you turn that on. From here, type in your compelling title. Make sure you list this as public if you want everyone to be able to search and find this video. And here in your description, you definitely have the space to go into the details you want to include. Here are the categories. And then here you select the dates. And remember that date here is your local time, right? And then you can enable monetization. Here you can upload a thumbnail, which I will demonstrate. Like that. You can change it here. And if it's not made for kids, you indicate that there as well. What I'm going to do is once you're done, just click on create stream. Like that. Once you hit create stream, this is what you will see. So you click on that, you're looking at this page, you're thinking, Faye, how are you going to go live with this information? So remember that you can now plug all this information in with a service such as Restream or OBS or StreamYard. I personally like Restream a lot. They're a sponsor on this channel, but they're also incredibly easy to use for people like us, solo creators who don't have co-hosts. So you may be wondering, okay, if you're using Restream, what does it look like once you log into Restream? It's very simple. I connect all my social channels, knowing that I have pre-scheduled an event to go live on YouTube. I click on setting right next to YouTube, then I click on edit settings. Right here, Restream will give me the choice of choosing either create a brand new event or I choose an event I already pre-scheduled inside YouTube. You guys remember that was live with Kimberly Warner. I will select that. It conveniently pull in all the information that I plugged in and I just click on save and that's it. Lastly, what is the benefit? You may be wondering. What is the link I can share with my audience so that they know the link that I'm going live at? So once you come back to this page, click on the three dots and then click on get shareable link. You can open up any browser here, just plug in that link right there and see what happens. This is your live stream link that you can send to anybody. You can even embed on your own website. I really like this because it gives me or anybody else visiting this page an option to set a reminder like this. When I go live at that specific time, then the person will get notified. This is the page where people can engage with you in the comments section even before you go live. And that is really, really neat. Also, another thing I want to mention is if you search for Feisworld, Kimberly Warner, I even mistyped Feisworld, you're able to actually see and be able to find this future live stream. And if you search for Kimberly Warner alone, this video also comes up. Lastly, as promised, I will show you guys how to actually modify this time. So what you can do here is click into this event and then click on edit. So from here, you got to scroll down quite a bit and here you go. That is going to be 12:30 p.m. That's it, guys. And that is modified. So I'm going to refresh this page. You'll see that the time is updated right here, July 16th, 12:30 p.m. I hope you find this helpful and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. And if you have any questions you would like me to cover and to talk about on this channel, please let me know in the comments below. Love you and see you next time.